Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing precise references so the model stays accurate. First, set the template to architecture and import your site plan or trace a scaled rectangle. This gives you a base to measure from. Next, draw exterior walls with the line or rectangle tool, typing exact lengths for accuracy. Once done, use push/pull to set wall height and the offset tool to create wall thickness. Make sure to name groups for walls so edits remain isolated and tidy. Now focus on the internal plan. Lay out partitions using offset or the line tool, snapping to end points so corners are clean. Insert doors and windows from the component's browser, position them with the move tool and type exact distances when needed. Use the tape measure to create guides and the protractor for angled walls or features. These guides keep spacing consistent. Once done, group each room and annotate dimensions so you can review circulation and clearances before adding finishes. Finish by applying materials to floors and ceilings and tidying your model with layers or tags for visibility control. Export a scaled 2D plan using File Export 2D Graphic or Send Scenes to layout for multi-sheet documentation. Before export, orbit and inspect for stray faces or internal geometry. These often cause export artifacts. If something breaks, isolate the problem group, run intersect faces, or delete hidden geometry. Then regroup. This keeps your floor plan clean and print ready.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.